6 Vulnhub missions that you should practice if you're a beginner in cybersecurity. The first mission, the Vulnhub mission, is Basic Pen Testing 1. So you can search for Basic Pen Testing in the Vulnhub platform. As you can see, this is the Basic Pen Testing 1. You can download this .ova file and import into VirtualBox and start practicing. If you have any doubts in practicing, then you can check out our playlist, which contains all the basic Vulnhub missions that you should practice. This contains the walkthroughs of all the missions. The second mission is Sunset. The Sunset 1 is a mission. You can download the .zip file and you can extract it and you can import it to VirtualBox and start practicing. This is also a beginner level mission that you should start practicing if you are a beginner. And the third mission is Sequoias. Sequoias 1.2 is a mission that I'm recommending if you're a beginner. Then you can download this .zip and you can extract it and you can start practicing this Sequoias. And the fourth one is HF 2019, which is HackerFest 2019. So you can search for HF, and if you can't find, you can search for HackerFest. As you can see, this is the mission HackerFest 2019. You can download this .ova and try it on your Kali Linux. So this is also a great mission if you are a beginner in Kali. So the next mission is called the box, and this is the cold box easy mission. So you can try this mission. If you have any doubts how to move on, you can check out our playlist, and all the walkthroughs will be available on our channel's playlist. So you can see it's a WordPress mission. You learn about WordPress in this mission. And the last mission that I'm gonna show you in this is Evil Box 1. You can search Evil Box. As you can see, this is the Evil Box 1 mission. Then you can download this .ova file and start practicing. So as I said before, any doubts, check out our playlist. All the missions walkthrough will be available on our channel. And this is all about the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.